In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to blend photo for poster design in Canva. We'll start by opening Canva and choosing a poster template. A template gives you a solid layout and the right dimensions from the start, so you can focus on the creative decisions instead of setup. Next, go to the Uploads panel and bring in your images if they're not already there. Drag your first image onto the canvas and resize it using the corner handles. Aim for a balanced composition. If you're covering the entire page, make sure it reaches the edges so there aren't unintended gaps. Add a text box to introduce your headline or main message. Type in your phrase, keeping it concise and impactful for a poster. Choose a font that matches the vibe of your design. Something bold and legible works well. Update the text color to ensure strong contrast against the background, so it's easy to read at a glance. Then open the Effects panel and apply the Lift effect. This adds a subtle shadow that helps the text stand out without feeling heavy. If you see any excess parts of your image extending beyond what you need, crop them to clean up the layout. Adjust the text size to create clear hierarchy and reposition it to a spot that complements the image. Avoid covering key details while keeping the message front and center. Head back to the Uploads panel and add your second image. Place it where you want the blend to happen, then resize and position it so the overlap feels intentional. Now, open the Apps section and search for Image Blender. Launch it and choose the Linear Blend option. This creates a gradient transition between your two images. Drag the on-canvas dots to set exactly where the blend occurs. Align the gradient with natural lines in your composition, like a horizon or edge, so the transition feels seamless. Adjust the angle and spacing of the handles until the mix looks smooth and believable. Use the strength slider to fine-tune how soft or defined the blend is. Increase it for a gentler transition or lower it to retain more edge detail. When you're happy with the result, click. Save to apply it to your design. Finish by making small adjustments. Nudge the images or text for spacing, refine sizes, and tweak your text color if the blend changed overall contrast. Zoom out to check balance and readability, and ensure everything sits comfortably within your poster's margins. And that's it! Your blended photo poster in Canva is ready to impress.